Welcome back, everybody. High in Colorado's Rocky Mountains, we're gonna make steak kebabs on the Blackstone Camping Griddle. Take a look at that. Beautiful strip steaks, marinated. I trimmed the fat off these strip steaks this morning and I marinated them in soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, balsamic vinaigrette, garlic paste, and Blackstone Steakhouse seasoning. Mixed them up, put them in a Ziploc bag into the cooler, and now we're way up about 10,000 feet in Colorado's high country. Bamboo skewers. I'm gonna alternate pieces of steak. I think whole mushrooms will work really well for this because they'll stay together a little better. And they'll look a little something like that. I love bell pepper and I love onion when it comes to skewers, but I'm thinking we need to get the steak cooked evenly, and of course the mushroom is just along for the ride here. Whether it's well done or cooked halfway, they're gonna be fine. I don't need to worry about the consistency or how crunchy a mushroom is or isn't. Prepping at home is a huge lifesaver. Saves so much time and makes things a lot easier when you get out here in the field. You don't need to worry about trimming up steaks, getting messy. You can do things at home and then get out here in the woods and make it happen. Over to my Blackstone Camping Griddle. Tell you the truth, I don't know where I put my cooking oil. We're out here in the woods, I'm losing stuff. So balsamic vinaigrette, the same stuff that I marinated in, we're gonna put a little extra down on the griddle top, and then we can just lay these skewers down in the balsamic vinaigrette. Oh yeah, just try to lay the flat pieces of steak down. I might press down on the steak a little bit. You know, I want to get a killer sear. There are no rules when it comes to how you get the job done. Cooking in the great outdoors, baby. Nothing like it. I got so excited when I found out that Blackstone was coming out with this new line of camping griddles. I got my start on YouTube about 17 years ago, doing a lot of hunting and outdoor videos, wild game processing, and doing outdoor cooking videos. They were terrible. If you go back and look at them, you can have a laugh. I was using some of the old green Coleman camp stoves or an open fire and just cooking stuff terribly. But how far Blackstone has come over the years. I just cannot believe all the innovations. Oh man, these look gorgeous. So I'm gonna flip these really quick and we're gonna turn the heat all the way down. We got that initial sear. Stopped at the grocery store on the way up to the mountains yesterday, picked up some chives. I thought chives might be a great way to dress up my kebabs. You can always take these and turn them up on end again. You have free reign of whatever you want to do. Just be careful if you're using your bare hands like I am here. That's one of the things I love about the Blackstone Camping Griddles. They get up way over 500 degrees, 500 to 600 degree range in under 5 minutes. You're not sacrificing quality if you're going from your patio out to the campsite. I think we're just about ready to serve these up. Kebabs, I like to stack them kind of like a pyramid. Oh yeah, oh yeah, my goodness. It's easy to clean the camp griddles. They're made out of cast aluminum. They have a ceramic titanium coating. We use a plastic scraper or my plastic spatula, that's it. I can't find my paper towels, but I have some napkins from the truck glove box, and that's all there is to it. Completely cleaned and ready for my next cook. You're not seasoning this, it's a pre-seasoned top. And just close it up and it's ready for the next cook. And now for the chives. If you want to, you could even do a post-dusting as CJ would.
Todd, my man, wise men say forgiveness is divine, but a post-dust, it's a must.
Take a look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm joined by my tasting buddy. Let's give it a try. You didn't see that mushroom ball. I went well over 40 years without eating a mushroom, but I love them on the Blackstone Griddle. Just look at that gorgeous color. All right, excellent job by my camera guy and my drone operator and my little troublemaker. So thanks for watching, everybody. These were killer. I'm gonna get the recipe up at blackstoneproducts.com. And make sure you're watching all the shows on the Blackstone Network because we have a lot of them. Until next time, everybody, this is Todd and my 3 boys from Colorado's high country. We're saying praise the Lord and pass. I forgot what we're gonna call these. Strip Steak Kabobs. You get the point. It could be Wagyu strip steak, New York strip steak, Kansas City strip steak, whatever. Strip Steak Kabobs, baby.